Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on 3D figures. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answer. In this question, we are given a rectangular solid such that AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8 and CD is equal to 5. Next, we are also given that AE is greater than EB, which is greater than 2. And we are asked to find which of the 6 values given in the options could possibly represent the volume of the shaded area. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope, since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 4, that is 170. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, as you can see from the figure, the volume of the shaded area is equal to the volume of the entire cube, which is 8 into 6 into 5, minus the volume of the triangular area above, that is minus half into AE into BC, that is the base, that is 8, into the width, that is CD, which is equal to 5. Hence, the volume of the shaded area will be equal to 240 minus 20 AE. Now, we can see that it is given to us AE is greater than EB, which is greater than 2. And it is also given that AB is equal to 6. So, we see that AE will take values between 3 and 4. AE should be less than 4 so that EB can be greater than 2. And hence, minus 20 AE will lie between minus 80 and minus 60. And hence, adding 240 to all the three sides, we get 240 minus 20 AE will be less than 180 and greater than 160. And we see that only option 4, that is 170, satisfies this inequality. Thus, option 4 is the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.